Hey, I'm over here. This car really tests the limits of our photo room. It barely clears. This is a 1959 Cadillac Series 60 Special. This is a top of the line model you don't see often, and you don't see them in this good a condition. A really special car. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 really special cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There's a QR code on your screen. It'll be there. You can scan it at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description as well. And that's where you find all the information, photos, videos, financing at volocars.com. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Of course, the 59 tail fins, I don't need to talk about those. Those were the highest, most flamboyant fins of that period. This is a 62,000 mile car, rust free, combination of just really clean original with some restoration. The body is excellent. All 20 feet of it or whatever it is, absolutely straight, clean, smooth, all the way down to the bottom. Can you imagine what a car like this would cost to restore? That's why you have to find one in really nice shape. All absolutely straight. Big long piece of metal here for a hood, and the fenders all straight, all fits beautifully. No dents, no damage, no bubbling or flaking paint. All absolutely gorgeous. Mirror finished white paint. Outstanding. All the doors. It's a pillarless hardtop, so very sleek. I think this is just as pretty as a convertible. That roof line and the sides, the convertibles don't have this big piece here. It's only on this model. Um, all clean, all straight. Has the original metal door edge guards on all the doors. All the stainless is straight. All the chrome is shiny. It's all a 7 out of 10. It's a lot of it's original, but really nice. All the bullets are here. They're not broken or damaged or missing. I think the fuel is behind one of these tail lights. Maybe it's that side. I'll have to check that out. It's been a long time since I've opened one. But again, all this trim, straight, polished, fits nice. The fender skirts fit real nice. I don't think I opened these doors yet. The jams might be original. I'm not sure, but they're real clean jams. All original glass. There are some faint wiper marks on the windshield here. And again, all the chrome is real nice. This has the high-end, top-of-the-line hubcaps. They're original. They're shiny, but there's a little dent or dink here or there. And then same thing up front. All the chrome is very nice. It's all shiny. It all fits right. The bullets that are always broken are in really nice shape. Power antenna works, so the car is very functional as well. Big white wall tires or radial white walls. I got a lot more cool stuff to show you. Let's open it up. This has a power trunk release inside that actually works. That's how I just opened it. Look how clean the underside is. Has the light, has the sticker. The hardware is real nice. The jam is clean. The weather strip's real nice. The whole inside of the trunk is lined beautifully. Has the jack and spare assembly still all in place. Maximilian vintage luggage, just something cool to go with the car. A few $100 in suitcases there. I can't squeeze through. I'm going to have to go all the way around. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. So this is from a close friend of ours, longtime car collector, 30 cars or so. They have failing health. We bought this from him. You see the jams. They're really, really nice. All the weather strips are real nice. The door panels are mint. All that cool chrome, power windows. Just has such cool design to this car. We're going to go up front. We got this also comes with the cars, just lifts off, something cool from that era. You got the pockets behind the seat, the working lights, everything is just very well maintained. This is actual leather on the outer part with the cloth middle part. The armrest comes down. All of this is really nice, exceptional condition car. The rear shelf is real nice. Now we'll go up front. Anyway, the friend that we got it from truly loved driving his cars. He kept up with them. That's what he enjoyed doing, was taking them to car shows and driving them. And he'd go to a car show in the morning, he'd be the last to leave. So the front door panel also very, very nice, well kept. The lights are working. You got the power window switches here. If you go back to the door panel, those are actually the power vent window switches. Now, I've owned this car 400 days and we're just putting it for sale. The dash pads, if you know anything about Cadillacs, the dash pads all split. You can buy a plastic cap to glue over it. They're garbage. We had Just Dashes build us a new dash. It was a few $1,000s. It's mint. You won't find that anywhere else. I could have put the car up for sale over a year ago, but I wanted that dash right. The car deserved it. The whole instrument panel's real nice, 62,000 miles. Look at all the controls and knobs, and everything's just looking really good. Signal seeking radio. Has the headlight dimmer up on the dash. There is a stereo in the glove box here, which I just had open for the power trunk. There's a stereo, an owner's manual. It's an air-conditioned car, so it has the vents, has very nice carpet and Cadillac mats. Again, the seats are fantastic. I think some of this leather, this is glove soft, I think some of the leather was replaced. The cloth is all really nice. Got an armrest up front here as well. See how it pops out. Really nice car. It has the cloth headliner, and I believe that's correct. I've looked that up at one time. That is correct. In very nice shape. The mirror's real nice. The steering wheel's in real nice shape. Check out even the brake pedal. It has design to it. That's cool. And I was wrong about the tail lights. The earlier Cadillacs, you feel the gas behind the tail light. This one here, it's in that back panel of bullets. It opens up. There's a little door. Smooth. It's a 390 motor. I think they're 325 horsepower. We just drove this from the other building, and there's a bunch of customers here, and I literally heard the people as we drove by, like, you don't even hear that car run. Smooth as can be. All stock. Look at the air cleaner and the oil filter and the fuel pump. Everything is stock. Air conditioned. It is working right now. All just very well maintained, clean, serviced, legit engine compartment. Got a Harrison radiator. Has the horns. They're plenty loud. Power steering, cruise control, power brakes. Has the hood insulation under the hood. Really impressive. Michael's going to go take you for a cruise. You're cruising when you're in this one. We'll see in a few minutes. So when you set the trunk down, if you can hear it, it has the automatic pull down. So when you throw them bodies in there, it'll really squish them in tight. Underneath the car is rock solid, clean, original metal with the Cadillac sound deadener. Again, the previous owner has maintained and serviced the car very well. It also has power seat, 6-way seat. We went through and inspected and serviced the car also. It has a brand new dual exhaust system with mufflers and the resonators in the tailpipes. The suspension, the steering, the brakes, all that's working properly as it should. The fuel system's all good and clean. Looking up at the motor, it's all clean. It's the numbers matching original engine. Also the correct transmission, the original, it has a tag on it, dated 1959. It's a Hydra-Matic, and it has 323 posi gears in the back, believe it or not. So again, a fantastic car. I mean, just look at it. This turns heads. Again, we just drove it across our parking lot, or our property, from one building to the other, and we drove past a dozen people or so, and everyone stopped and they're talking about it. This is impressive. I'm impressed. I'm a car guy that sees cars. I'm impressed. I was thrilled to get this car. I've had my eye on this car for many years. Again, condition means a lot. It's a really nice car, presents itself very well, functions very well. So you're really ahead of the game. You couldn't afford to restore one of these if you bought one, in pieces. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get your 59 Cadillac delivered to your garage. And I suggest you measure your garage before you buy this one. Thanks for watching.